Hello and welcome to Cooking with Nico. Today we're going to make a cheese sauce. Right here we have 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour with some seasonings of your choice, but I used white pepper, paprika, black pepper, and just a tad bit of salt. I'm going to put that in there. This is going to melt, and once that's finished melting, we're going to add our 2 cups mixture of buttermilk as well as heavy whipping cream. And then we have your choice of cheeses. Right here we have pepper jack as well as a cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So once this melts, we're going to slowly be adding the milk, and we're going to be using a mixer here, and we're going to be constantly doing that as everything melts together, and it should bind together. That's what the flour is for there. You can also use a whisk if you don't have one of these. I just prefer to use this guy. Alright, so here we have our butter melted. So we're going to just add a little bit of milk here so that it does not burn. And we're going to turn this on. Going to mix that up a little bit here. We add our milk mixture. Now we're going to get this hot so that we can melt the cheese. We don't want to start it boiling quite yet, as if we do that it could separate, and we don't want it to separate. Now with this cheese sauce, or any cheese sauce recipe you want to use, you can add onions to it, you can add jalapenos, you can add pretty much anything you want and make it your own. I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of this. And we're going to turn up the heat from medium to about medium high. And we will go ahead and slowly add the rest of this milk. Then when it starts getting nice and thick here, we can go ahead and stop the heat. We'll just let it cook off a little bit just to get it even thinner. And then once it's ready to go, just go ahead and serve it. And that is your cheese sauce. Hope you like this video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and tell all your friends. Thank you.